How to share your location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can share your location on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application. And once you're inside the Snapchat, go ahead to your profile section and then tap on your settings and then scroll down and tap on see my location. So here you can share your location with any friends that you like. You can simply tap on the person that you want to share your location, or you can also select as many as people that you like to share your location. Simply tap on share my location and select the person or the friends that you like to share your location. Once you do that, your location on Snapchat with your friends will be shared and they will be able to see your location on Snapchat. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and easy. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.